In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of Claude AI. Logging out is a simple but important habit, especially if you're on a shared or public device. It keeps your account secure and prevents anyone else from accessing your conversations or settings after you're done. Start by opening your browser and going to the website at https://claude.ai. Make sure you're currently signed in. You'll know you are if you can see your workspace and the sidebar. If you're on the sign-in page instead, log in first, because the log out option only appears when you're already authenticated. Once you're in, look to the bottom left corner of the page. You should see a small circle with your initials or a profile icon. Depending on your display size, it might be a tiny avatar or a generic silhouette. If your window is very narrow, the sidebar may be collapsed, so try widening your window or scrolling within the sidebar area until you see that profile icon. Click it to open the menu. From the menu that appears, choose Settings. This opens a settings panel where you can manage preferences and account details. If you don't see settings right away, ensure you clicked your profile icon and not another part of the interface. The Settings option is typically near the top of that menu. Inside Settings, navigate to the Account section. This is where options related to your user profile and session live. The interface may present this as a tab or a section in the sidebar. If you're unsure which area you're in, look for labels like Profile or Account. The one simply named Account is the right place for this task. In the Account section, look for the Logout or Logout button. The wording can vary slightly, but it means the same thing. Click it, and when you're prompted to confirm, go ahead and confirm. This immediately ends your session. You'll be redirected to the sign-in page, which is a good sign that the logout was successful. A few quick tips before we wrap up. If the button doesn't respond, try refreshing the page and repeating the click. On mobile browsers, the layout may shift, but the process is the same. Tap your profile icon, open Settings, go to Account, and select Log Out. Logging out won't delete your conversations or settings. It simply ends the active session. And if you're on a shared computer, consider closing the browser afterward to further reduce the chance of someone reopening your session. That's it. You've successfully logged out of Claude AI.